Right, well, welcome to Rothamsted North Wyke's silvopasture trial. It's based at Woodland Down in West Devon, and there's a network of farmers, 7 farms, pretty much all in Devon, ranging from Chagford and Halsworthy all the way up towards Bude. And we're replicating what the farmers have been doing. So we've got 3 different planting designs in our silvopasture trial, and this one is a regular spacing. So you can see that the guys here are planting some hawthorn today. And the regular spacing means that we have gaps of 20 metres between our rows of trees, so that agricultural machinery can get in between the rows. And eventually, when the trees are well established, we'll allow animals back in here again, and they can browse some of the woody species that are here. And the other 2 designs that we've got are a shelter belt and a wood pasture. So the shelter belt is the same number of trees that we have in these regular space rows, but all in one area. And the idea there is that trees are going to provide lots of protection from the wind and the rain, so if the animals want to have a bit of shelter, they can just go and camp down in those areas. And the wood pasture is supposed to mimic natural recolonisation, so they're just basically random collections of trees and shrubs and thorn bushes spaced out across the field. And again, it's the same number of trees in the field as we have here, which is about 200 trees per hectare. So this field, we've got around about 1,000 trees going in. Most of those are hawthorn, and they provide some protection around the trees themselves, so they're planted a little triangle around the trees, and the trees and the shrubs are alternated, and eventually we'll thin out some of the trees and the shrubs when the trees are getting quite big, but obviously that's going to be quite a long time in the future.